Hello my dear students, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will solve a interesting question based on application of similar triangles. So let us start. Question number 1. A car transporter lorry of height 470 centimeter is driving away from the box of brightly illuminated car dealership showroom of height 18.8 meter at a speed of 4.8 meter per second. Find the distance between car transporter lorry and the tip of its shadow. So this is the figure given in the question. This is the showroom building. This is light and lorry is here after 3 seconds and it is its shadow. So now let us solve it step by step. Given height of the car showroom, light source is equal to 18.8 centimeter. Height of the car transporter lorry is equal to 470 centimeter. इसको कन्वर्ट कर लिया मीटर में, डिवाइडेड बाई 100 इज इक्वल टू 4.7 मीटर. Speed of the lorry is equal to 4.8 meter per second. Time is equal to 3 seconds given. So now step 1. So we have made the sketch of this. So this is AB is the building and lorry is at the point C after 3 seconds and D is its shadow. So step 1. Distance traveled by the lorry in 3 seconds is equal formula distance is equal to speed into time. So distance AC is equal to 4.8 into 3 is equal to 14.4 meter. So this is the distance AC. Step 2. Using similar triangles property, let the distance between the lorry and the tip of the shadow be x meter is equal to CD. अब ये CD को जो है लॉरी और शेडो के बीच के डिस्टेंस को हमने x मीटर मान लिया. सो नाउ द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द शोरूम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द शोरूम टू द टिप ऑफ द शेडो AD कौन सा है AD. ये क्या होगा AC प्लस CD. AC निकाला हमने 14.4 मीटर और CD इज इक्वल टू x मीटर. सो ये कितना हो गया AD इज इक्वल टू 14.4 प्लस x मीटर. नाउ इन ट्राइंगल DCE एंड ट्राइंगल DAB. DCE and triangle DAB. Angle D is common in both the triangles and angle ECD ये angle is equal to angle BAD. This angle, both angles are 90 degree. Thus triangle DCE is similar to triangle DAB by AA similarity criterion. Therefore, BA upon EC is equal to AD upon CD. Put the values. So 18.8 upon 4.7 is equal to 14.4 plus x upon x. सो इसको इससे डिवाइड किया तो 4 टाइम्स डिवाइड होगा तो 4/1 इज इक्वल टू 14.4 प्लस एक्स अपॉन एक्स. सो 4x इक्वल टू 14.4 प्लस एक्स. सो 4x माइनस एक्स को इधर ले आए लेफ्ट साइड में. सो इज इक्वल टू 14.4. सो 3x इज इक्वल टू 14.4. इसको इसमें से सबट्रैक्ट कर दिया. Now x is equal to 4.80 meter. Hence the distance between the car transporter lorry and the tip of its shadow is equal to 4.80 meter. Final answer, the distance between lorry and its shadow after 3 seconds is 4.8 meter. So this is how we Find the distance between the car transporter lorry and the tip of its shadow using simple equation. Please comment below and tell us which topic you want in future videos. First, competency based questions from all chapters or statistics chapter 13 or CBSE board exam 2025 questions or CBSE sample paper 2026 question. Thanks for watching.